friends, welcome back to Miss Annette's Preschool. Today I was reading my favorite book and some of the letters were missing from the words. Can you help me find the correct letters to put at the beginning of the words? Okay, thank you. I definitely need your help. Okay, here's the first word that doesn't have a beginning letter. And here's a picture of what it is. What is that? It's a cat. That's right. But look at these letters. They only say at. So we're missing the first letter. Here's some letters that we can choose from to put in front of AT. What if we tried the B? Let's put the B in front. Okay, now let's sound that out. Ready? B-at. Bat. Is that the right letter? No, it's not. B isn't the right letter. Go away, B. Okay, let's see. What if we tried the H? What does the H say? That's right. Let's put the H down. Okay, can we read that word? Let's try. Hat. 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 That's a word, but that's not the right word, is it? No, go away, H. So what letter is it? It's C. C, go in your place. Okay, now let's read it. What does the C say? That's right, back here in our throats. All right, let's say the whole sounds, all the sounds together. Ready? At. At. Cat. Yay, you helped me put the right letter in front of cat. You are so smart. Wow. Okay, are you ready for another word? All right, here it is. What do those two letters say when they're together? Let's say their sounds. What does the O say? O and ah. And it's the only vowel, so we're going to say its short sound, ah. Okay? And what does that letter say? It's G, so it says g, 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 back here in our throat. Og. 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 Yeah! Okay, here's a picture of what it is that we're trying to spell. It's a dog, that's right. Dog. Okay, so here's 3 letters that we can choose from. Should we try H again? Let's try H. H says, okay, H, go into the place, let's see. Okay, now we have to make the H sound. Og. Hog. Hog. Is that the right word? No, a hog is a pig. All right, go away, H. Okay, let's see. What about the L? What does the L say? Oh, with our tongue on our teeth. Oh, okay, L, let's go there. All right, can we say the L sound, O, with our og sounds? Log. Log. That's not right. No, it's not a log. Okay, go away, L. I guess it's D. D. What does the D say? D, D, D. Okay, D, go back in the place. Now can we say the D sound with our og sounds? Here we go. D, og, dog. Dog! Yay! We just spelled dog. D-O-G, dog. Awesome! Okay, are you ready for our next word? All right, here we go. Okay. Ooh. I-G. What does the I say? I and like something's icky. And since there's only one vowel, the I is going to say its short sound. I, And another G. G, 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 down here in our throat. Ig, ig. All right, and here's our picture. What is that? It's a pig, yeah. Okay, here's our 3 letters to choose from. Which letter do you think is the beginning of pig? That's really tricky. What about B? B says B, B, B. Okay, B, let's go and see. Okay, can we say all those sounds together? B-ig, big, big. Is it a big? No, it's a pig. Okay, go away, B. All right, let's see. What sound does M make? Does that sound like the beginning of this word? Pig. No, if we put the M in front, then the word would be mig. Mig. That's not right. Okay, go away, M. What letter is it? P. That's right. P, go in your place. Let's say all the sounds together. Pig, pig, pig. Yay, good job. All right, here's our next word. Okay, 2 letters again. The first letter is an A. What does the A say? A and A. So, since there's just one vowel, he's going to say his short sound. A, A. And then, what's that letter? N. What does the N say? We put our tongue on the top of our mouth. Yeah. So let's say those 2 sounds together. An. 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 Yeah, an. Okay, here's the picture of what we're doing. What is that? A fan. Okay, here's our 3 letters to choose from. Let's listen really closely. Can you hear the beginning sound? Fan. Fan. Which letter says the F sound? It's a quiet letter. Did you say F? That's right! Fan. Let's put it down and see. Okay, let's say the F sound. Fan. Fan. Did we do it? Yeah, it's a fan. Fan. Good job. You are so smart. Here's our next word. Okay, so it has a U this time. Do you know what the U says? U and a. U and a. And it's the only vowel, so it's the short sound, which is like somebody punched you in the tummy. Okay, and then the next letter is Okay, can we make the and the n sound? Here we go, ready? Un. Good job. Okay, here's the picture of what it is. What is that? It's the sun. Yeah. Okay, here's our 3 letters. Which letter do you think it is that goes at the beginning of that word? Should we try B? Okay, B, come in here and we'll see. All right, what does the B say? B, B, B. That's right. Okay, let's make that sound with the un sound. Bun. 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 Is that what that is? No, it's not a bun. Okay, B, go away. That's so funny. All right, let's listen again. See if we can hear the beginning sound. Ready? Touch your ears. Here we go. Sun. Sun. Which letter says that beginning sound? Did you say S? Yeah, S says S. Okay, S, come in the front. Okay, let's read all the sounds together. Here we go, ready? Sun, sun. Now let's go really fast. Sun. Is that the right word? Yeah, it's a sun. Good job. Yay.
C-A-T, that spells cat. She's soft and furry, imagine that. C-A-T, sound it out. Put it together and give a shout. Cat. D-O-G, that spells dog. He digs a hole and runs in the yard. D-O-G, sound it clear. Say it loud so all can hear.
Dog.
P-I-G, that spells pig. He rolls in the mud and does a jig. P-I-G, now you know. Say it with me nice and slow.
Pig.
F-A-N, that spells fan. It keeps me cool as best it can. F-A-N, let's go fast. Spell it with me, make it last. Fan. S-U-N, that spells sun. It shines so bright on everyone. S-U-N, sound it through. Now the word is clear to you. Sun. We spelled our words one by one. Learning with Miss Annette is so much fun.
Thank you so much for helping me read those words. Now I can go back and read my book, and it will make more sense with all the beginning sounds in it. Good job. Let's remember all of the words that we solved today. Here they are. What's the first word? Cat. Cat. That's right. Good job. And the second word? Pig. Pig. Yay! And the third word? Dog. Dog. Yeah, good job. And the fourth word? Fan. Fan. Yes, good job. And the last word? Sun. Sun. All right, that's so awesome. And here are all the pictures together. All right, you did such a great job. We just read all those words. You are so smart. Let's give ourselves a pat on the back. Yay for reading. Reading is so much fun. I love books because I can read stories and I can see all of the pictures in my mind of the things that I'm reading about. Keep practicing reading at home. Look for some books and try to make the sounds that all the letters make and put them all together to make a word. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. We learned and played the Miss Annette's way. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.